What's up, everybody? Welcome to another cash stuffing video. Happy Monday, y'all. Happy Monday. I hope you had some good Sunday dinner last night. I hope your Monday, started off your week well. I just hope all good things, that you wanted that's starting this week off, okay? I don't really know what to say, but I just hope your Monday started off well. Your Sunday kicked the week off well. Just hoping good vibes, sending good vibes to you all, sending good vibes. Y'all know what? Let me tell y'all something. I'm sitting up here looking at my new setup, my new minimal setup, and you know what? It feels more peaceful. I see now why some people just have one binder out and everything else. But that was my old setup. It's moving to new things, and it's about to be a new year, right? So why not start now on whatever we trying to do? My working out is going steady. I'm just trying to stay motivated with that, but it's all good. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me, okay? Who strengthens me. Say it with my chest. All right, you guys, today we're going to be cash stuffing my binder, okay? And I will be having my budgeting video coming up soon because I need to budget it, y'all. I need to budget it and see how much little money I'm going to have left. It won't be much. I'll tell you that. It won't be much because we got bills to pay. Because why? We trying to stay above and not below. All right? That's the trick. Staying above and not below. Okay? So let's go ahead and count this money. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. Okay, thank you, Lord, for this money. We sure appreciate it over here. Yeah, y'all, I got to get out and do my gig work. I'm not working with Uber anymore for reasons that they have, but that's okay. We're gonna get out and do some DoorDash this week and make some money. However, if I feel like working a little over at Home Depot, I will. I thought about that, but it just can't be on their terms, y'all. Like, don't be just calling me out the blue. If I feel like it, I will, but don't be trying to send me all over the state working either. Like, I promise y'all, I think they try to run a temp service with their employees for other locations. Because who calls and say, can you go to another store for this and that, and you ain't even on your schedule for 3 days, not offering gas money. It's like an hour away from where I live. Not offering gas money or nothing. No, thank you. Okay? So, yeah, let's go ahead and get started on this. Let's see what I have on my sheet, y'all, because I have it written down. So let's see what we got here. So birthday, we'll be getting $5. And y'all, after this batch, y'all will see where, well, no, I think we are caught up. $2.99. Yeah, this batch will be putting basically the money that we took out, and then you'll see, because I think I had like $3.53 or something like that when I did what's in the binders. Then you'll see it move forward a little extra. We didn't have much extra, but at least I was able to keep the money in the binders. Okay, and we'll start seeing that extra come in. It was kind of nice. Redoing it, reallocating too. So personal care will be getting $5 as well. Shopping will be getting 10, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, so it was kind of cool doing that. And unfortunately, I did take the money out of my pour them, and I can't put that back in there because it was digital savings. I'm telling you, y'all, everything had to come. We had to get all the money. So That was included in that as well. So now we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But I still got like $20 in my Apporium after all that. And it's back on. So whenever I have a little couple of dollars in there, they'll get their little portion. And also, you guys, if you're looking for sea moss gel, herbal colon cleanse, all natural juices, ginger shots, things like that, Fresh Life Orlando is an awesome company. My husband runs it. It's a small American business. Please go check it out. Thank you, and follow him on Instagram, Fresh Life Orlando. All right, thank you. A little plug for our little company business. We just trying to do things the legal way. We just trying to, you know, live the American dream. So, Beauty, you're gonna get 2. 1, 2. Yep, and my girl LaShonda, she convinced me, and she right. Like after that episode, we had to come up with that money, and I emptied the binders. I'm going to start tracking, not this batch, but next. I just got to find the time to get it all together and just sit down and do it, because I had no clue where I was at, where all the money exactly went. I had some ideas, but it is a good thing. Even with minimal amounts, I would recommend doing that. Dining out, we'll be getting $5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oops. There we go. She didn't want to open up. So that is it for my beautiful binder. This is my personal binder, y'all. She really never gets much, because my true binder is my high priority binder. So this is my personal binder. I gotta wipe her off a little bit. And my girl Heather gave me this charm, and I want to wipe it off a little bit. But she, you know, I'm gonna make sure I stuff her when I can. You know what I mean? As much as I can. Hopefully once a week, even if it's $5, y'all. All right. Detroit binder. Let me grab this binder. We're going to go ahead and do our ghost. Oh, there we go. We're going to go ahead and do our ghost challenge. We are still working out of November, y'all. We will be starting our November challenge with that challenge, with this one, because we still got to complete it. So, but yeah, it is what it is. I'm not going to put too much pressure on myself. So we have our ghost challenge here. Let me take that out. Get my black pen. Oh, here it is over here. Your girl was not prepared. So let's see. We should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, exactly $6. And we will be doing our real last batch that we had some $3 on here. So we will be doing 2 ghosts today. We're going to be doing 2 ghosts. I can barely, y'all, I'm trying to stay in the line. 2 black ghosts. This is the only color of this dry erase marker I have, so we're gonna have to make it do what it do. Oh, some of it colored off. Did I do 3 caskets? We gonna have to see. Oh, I owe $5. That's why I did. Okay, we gotta pay that $5 back. I forgot. So now we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. This is a $77 challenge. So I'm thinking I want to spend this challenge for November and October's challenge on Christmas. We'll see. We shall see. But I'm thinking Christmas, y'all, because I haven't, we got a little money saved in Christmas, but I'm thinking Christmas, y'all. Thinking it probably have to go to Christmas. So I really want to complete that November and all my October challenges. Yep. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. I really appreciate you guys. So thank you all. Like I said, happy Monday. Said that to y'all, you know, earlier. It felt so good. I gave myself a little manicure. Y'all, this little polish still won't come off, but it's going to come off on its own. But I couldn't. I just had to do me a little clear manicure and do my cuticles and everything. And that's, until I can afford to go get them done professionally, I don't think it's wise for me to just be trying stuff out on me, because it's like, this is the 4th time I done got stuck with something on my nails, okay? All right, you guys. So I want you guys to enjoy the rest of your evening, your afternoon, and see you guys on the next video. Bye.